All right, good morning, everybody. Kind of raining outside. Hope everybody got here safely. All right, so today, we're gonna actually do something with those advanced layouts and scripting tools that we talked about yesterday. So remember those advanced layouts, so you can create those multi-column structures. That's gonna enhance the visual appeal and the look of your website. And then those scripting tools are just stuff that you kind of can add on to your website that is not already on your GUI or your graphical user interface, which is what we're using. All right, so what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna use the same characters that we were using earlier this week or last week. We just did the navigation menu. So you have been assigned to create a website for a fan page dedicated to a popular animated character. All right, your goal is this time is to design an engaging and visually appealing. Ooh, I forgot to put the visually appealing website while using advanced layouts and use the script tools. Gotta change that. All right, so today, I think I kind of showed y'all. What is it?
What you do?
All right, so today we're gonna actually add a time widget to a clock widget to our home page, which is gonna give us our time, like the right now time and the date, and then we're gonna add a theme song, the theme song to that show of the character. We're gonna add that via YouTube, and then on the other thing we're gonna do with this is on our about page. We're gonna actually get a picture of the character in pixel form. We're gonna give a brief bio of the character, and then we're gonna do a image carousel at the bottom. Yeah, so all it is if I was to play this, and then I'm gonna should see these arrows, and we're gonna go through. So all this is fan art that people have created, and we're just gonna get some fan art to see all the different pictures of them. All right, so that's all we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna do something with the home page, and then we're gonna do something with our about page. All right, so you should already know what your character is. We just continuing on from that same Google site that we were working on earlier this week, or either last week. I can't remember really. So, and I'm gonna do it with you guys because I think I did it another one. So open that up. Let me see. All right, so we'll exit out that. Here. Let's go to this. That's what I did with y'all. See, I don't have my hands. All right, so it says, after I figured out who my actual person is, I went and opened up Google Sites. Remember, I got to go to Google, my Google account, manage Google account, click on those dots, scroll all the way down until you get to Google Sites. And then you're going to actually click on that website we were working on previously. All right, so it says make sure your home page is selected. It says underneath the insert tab, you're going to click the YouTube button. Next, in the search bar, you're going to type the name of your show's theme song. So, for example, I got Feeling Human from Adventure Time, so I would just say Adventure Time's theme song. All right, once you find the theme song, click on it and select it. And hit select. All right, so let's do that first. All right, so if I'm looking under insert, so it says under insert, you should see YouTube. All right, now what I'm gonna do is search for that show's theme song. So Adventure.
They got YouTube partner.
It shouldn't be. All right, theme song. All right, then I'll search for that, and then all I would do is once I actually see it, I'll click on it and then just hit select, and it's gonna come up on the screen. And I always want to kind of put it in the middle, just so it's kind of even on the page too. Alright, so now if I was to actually preview this, you would see that the theme song of the show actually plays. Alright, so y'all go ahead and do that for me. So I want to, like I said, make sure I'm on my home page. Make sure the home page is selected. I'm coming to insert YouTube. Alright, once I do YouTube, I'm going to type the name of the show's theme song. Select that, and it's going to, once you hit select, it's going to go onto the screen, go onto your webpage.
But that's our home page right here.
Yeah, the home page is, that should be the first thing that's selected. So if you go to pages, alright, it should be in blue. That means that it's selected.
Because how I get this picture?
How you get what now?
This picture is better. That picture.
You make, so just try getting the picture off of the web, saving it to the computer, and then upload it. So just go to image. So go search for one. Yeah, and then save it to your computer, and then click upload it instead of selecting it from Google Images. That usually works sometimes too. Alright, so anybody confused about that first part? How to do it? Alright, so all I'm doing is I'm gonna make sure my home page is selected first. Alright, and then once I figure out that's selected, I'm gonna go to insert, I'm gonna scroll down to YouTube. From the top, scroll down to YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna type the name of my character show, and I'm gonna find their theme song. Alright, once I find it, I'm gonna click select, and then I'm gonna pop up on the screen. I really want to theme. I'm doing the edit colors. Background.
Oh, I got it, coach. It wasn't even a picture. It was actually just for like readability or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had to type that out. So just for the home page, we just finding their themes first, right?
Yeah, we found the theme of the theme song of what's my called?
Hey, coach, we got 2 games.
Oh, y'all supposed to play today?
You want to play yesterday?
I don't think it started. It started raining until
Rain actually was gonna help, I feel, but too much is just going to have puddles everywhere.
True. All right, so did anybody have trouble finding the theme song? You did. What's the question?
Hey, I like watching YouTube on the computer. I always get your ass.
Yeah. What's the question? Oh, yeah. You gotta publish it. You can see, so you gotta publish it first. So exit out of that. And then just type Garnet fan page. And then once after you do that, now you're gonna hit the plus, the person with plus beside it, and then it should hit publish. And then hit the song. Now you see what it says, copy publish.
This was really cute.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna paste that to the website URL. Alright, so next thing. Alright, so now we're gonna actually add we're going to add a time widget. Alright, just like on your phone, you know, like on your home screen or your lock screen, those widgets that you kind of actually can pull up. Alright, we're gonna actually create one of those on the web and put it on our website. So after I put my the theme song on the web page. All right, so it says next click on this link, which is time widget. I said once you're on the page, click and insert the appropriate information inside the boxes. So I'm gonna click on that link. All right, it should take you to this website right here. Once you click that link, I'm gonna click on that link that's in the directions right up under that first set of instructions. All right, so after the theme song part, right below that it says next click on this link. Time widget. All right, once you're on the page, click and insert the appropriate information inside the boxes. So I want to click the time and the date. I want to change the time format to the third one. All right, date format to the third one. I'm gonna put 60 px for the font size. Font color is gonna be black, and then the background color is gonna be white. Hold on, I'm gonna start moving in.
I'm not walking.
That's right.
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at me learning my students. I gotta learn you better.
Oh, so it's for your college thing? You recording for your college thing?
Yeah, I'm about to stop it though, because I only have to do like 10 minutes. The time widget, so I'm gonna click on that link and it should take you here. Did it take you there?
What y'all can do? What y'all can do?
Well, I wasn't here yesterday.
Time for which one we choose?
You talking about me?
So just like you see on the directions, I'm clicking those boxes. So time and date, I'm gonna click the third time format. Date format, I'm gonna do the third one. Font size should be 60. Font color should be black. Background color should be white. Alright, once you put all that information in, guys, all I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy this code down here at the bottom in this box. So time and date, time format, we'll pick the third one. Date format, we'll pick the third one. I'm gonna change this to 60. I'm gonna change the font color to black. Just type black. And then I'm gonna change the background color to work. Alright, so once you see, and it shows you what it looks like, you should see black font with a white background. All I'm gonna do is just copy this code right here. Copy. Then I'm gonna go back to my web page. I'm gonna scroll up to the top, and right up on the text box, you should see embed. I'm gonna go back in. So once I copy the code from the website, I'm gonna go back to my insert, and you should see embed right up on the text box. I'm gonna click that. All right, click embed code, and then I'm gonna paste that there. The stuff I just copied, and then I'm gonna hit next. And it should see.
I would get the
You know why she not here?
It should be. It should. I don't know. Maybe because it's location. Huh? For other locations, please use the search box in the top right corner.
Don't tell her.
Oh, just type that up here.
No, my dog. Look what he did to
So just type the say what? Alright. Okay. That same stuff y'all was doing last week, that survey.
I don't know how to